discuss about the compliance management. I, Dr. Isha Bhardwaj, Faculty, Associate Professor, IMS Ghaziabad, University Course Campus. Today we will discuss about the compliance management. So basically we have to understand first what is compliance and why organization need to be very much focused about the compliance into the organization. So compliances are basically the rules and regulations by which the organizations abide, and they have to follow it, because if they will not follow the compliances into the organization, they may have several consequences related to it. Sometimes they have to pay the fine to the government, sometimes to earn the faith of their employees on the organization, they have to have the compliances, and for the safety of the employees working there, compliances are necessary. Compliances are basically which is related to the government, which is prescribed by the government, and every organization has to follow it word by word. So compliance refer to the act of following rules and regulations that apply to a specific industry or a business. So sometimes certain rules or the compliances are from the organization itself, and some compliances are from the industrial perspective, which organization has to follow to being into the certain organization. So compliance refers to the act of following rules, guidelines and regulations that apply to a specific industry. It involves like adhering to the standards and the best practices in the organization for any of the area. We can take the example of green audit, we can take the example of safety and health and hazards of the employee working in the organization. We can take the example of the remuneration of the employee. We will take care about the compensation which is being provided to the employee into the organization. So to make a healthy and a conducive environment into the organization, and to make employee more engaged for a longer time or a longer perspective, compliances are very important into the organization. So we have discussed here the example of compliances also. Compliance can include adhering to labor laws, data privacy and security regulations, and sometimes it is related to the financial regulations also, which is abide by the organization, and every organization has to be very fair related to the finance consequences for their employees even. Importance of the compliances. So the main importance of the compliance is it basically creates a transparency among the management and the employee, and it provide or it support the legal and the financial consequences, and also maintain the company reputation in the market and as well as their competitor also. The organization which are following the compliances, they have a good reputation in the organization, and they have a good reputation among their employees too. One myth, and there are several myths also related to compliance. One of the myths which is related to the compliance is that it slows down the business operation, but not yet. Compliance never slow down the growth or the speed of the business organization, because a solid compliance or a solid compliance program initiated by the organization, it helps the organization to be efficient or effective and productive in the long run. So we cannot say it's a myth only कि compliances in the organization, it basically slow down. It never slow down the growth of the organization. It basically enhance or the speed up the growth of the organization in a constructive way. Now we have to discuss what is compliance. So compliance in a business context refer to the process of ensuring that a company adhere to all legal, regulatory and ethical standards which are relevant to the operation of the organization and make an organization successful. It involves implementing systems and practices within an organization that ensure it meets the law, it fulfills the law, regulations and the guidelines and specifications that that particular industry and employer of the organization abide. Key aspect of the compliances: there are certain compliances of the certain aspects of the compliances. Number one, legal compliances. An organization have some legal compliances which are related to majorly taxation, data protection, or related to the employment. The data of the employees working into the organization also comes into the legal compliances. Then the regulatory compliances like healthcare, manufacturing industry or reporting period, they all are included into the regulatory compliances by which all organizations are abide. Corporate governance, it basically establishing internal policy and control that ensure the company operate in a transparent and the accountable way. Next is risk management. So compliance is closely related with the risk management too. A risk can be secured or can be stopped in with the help of the risk management, that it helps to business identifying potential risk and take proactive measures to mitigate them. So with the help of with the help of compliance management, risk in the organization can be mitigated up to a greater extent. Ethical compliance beyond legal obligations, business are also expected to follow ethical guidelines that reflect their corporate values. Moving to the next slide, importance of compliance. Compliance helps an organization for legal protection, reputation management, operational efficiency, and employee morale. So employee morale can also be enhanced with the help of the compliance management. Implementing compliance measure can streamline operations by establishing clear guidelines. By providing the clear guidelines to the employees, compliance can be followed in a more effective way, because we can say that compliances are there, and organization if straightforwardly tell to their employees that these are the compliances and these compliances you have to follow anyhow. So employees also have to think about it that before providing or before implementing any compliance into the organization, they should know the legal depth or the entire depth of that compliance, so that their morale can be enhanced. If employees will be knowing it in a better way, so they may do it or they may accept it and they will follow it with full enthusiasm, and employees trust can be win over those compliances. Moving to the next slide, steps for achieving HR compliances. So now we will talk about the HR compliances. So all the compliances which is related to the employees in the organization and which help the employees to govern into the organization, known as the HR compliances. HR compliances, to adhere the HR compliances into the organization, there are several steps. 4 steps are there which an organization has to follow to adhere the HR compliances into the organization. Number 1, assess HR risk. We have to first assess what are the HR risk which may come into the organization by following the certain compliances. So identifying area where your company is on risk and non-compliance and likelihood to impact each of the stakeholder of the organization by not fulfilling the compliances into the organization. Creating HR policies and procedures, train your employees, and audit and review. So these are the 4 steps that we have to audit and review also, that what compliances we are follow, how much compliances we have filled, and what are the different things which need to be done to make these compliances fulfill. Best practices for HR compliances, we have to do a clear communication, as I told you earlier also, for implementing any compliance to the employee or for asking the employees to adhere any of the compliances. 3 things should be very clear on the perspective of both the employee and the employer. Number 1, clear communication should be there. Make sure HR policy and expectations are clearly communicated to all employees. What is the compliance and what is expectation for those compliances by the employee should be clearly indicated or communicated to the employees properly. Effective collaboration with all department of the company or draft and implement HR policies. There should be a collaboration if for certain compliances, if we are calling any third party from outside the organization, so we have to make a gel, we have to make a collaboration between the employee and the employer for having those compliances or for adhering those compliances in the long run successfully. Consistent process should be there. Compliance is not a process which will you do and you will stop as per your choice. It is a continuous process which once you have started, so you have to abide by it in the future. So it's a long lasting perspective. I cannot say it's a never ending process. It's a long lasting process which an organization has to follow to have the perspective of compliance in a longer perspective, in a effective manner. Coming to the next slide, the role of HR compliance officer. They have the responsibility ensure compliance with all applicable HR law and regulations, identify area of potential compliance risk, develop compliance related policies and procedure. Then certain skills which are required to the compliance officer. Strong knowledge of HR laws and regulations. जितने भी HR law and regulations are there into the organization, a manager has to have a full knowledge of it. Excellent communication and interpersonal skills. Detail oriented and analytical mindset. So a person who is taking care of the HR compliance, who is a compliance officer, their mind should be data oriented and he has to have a detailed knowledge of all the data which is related to human into the organization. career path: HR compliance coordinator, HR compliance specialist, and HR compliance manager can be a 3 path which can be chosen after doing your graduate from in a compliance management. Benefits of compliance, as we have discussed earlier, it basically improve the reputation of the organization, increase efficiency and productivity of the organization, it help in better risk management, and it is cost saving. It saves the cost of the organization also, and it basically helps in the better risk management into the organization, so that the compliance program help manager to identify, assess and manage risk that could be detrimental to their operations. So these are the 4 benefits of compliances. Necessity of compliances in business: legal requirement, as it is legally abide by the organization that they have to fulfill the compliances in business. Document control: compliance helps to maintain the control and accuracy of the essential company documents and data that are required for regulatory process such as audit and inspections. Stakeholder satisfaction: compliance is a factor in it gain trust and satisfaction from stakeholder, including customers, employees, investor and business partners. Challenges of compliance: cost. Yes, it is a costly affair. An organization has to pay a lot for implementing compliances into the organization, and because it becomes a challenge for the smaller organization, they don't have that much money to pay and to have the all compliances into the organization. So it become a challenge for the organizations which are at the earlier stage or which are very growing stage in their career. Complexity: compliance recruitment can be complex and confusing, and this can lead to misinterpretation and non-compliance. Employees may resist compliance processes, viewing them as a restrictive and burden, because many of the employees think it's a burden. We should not follow all the compliances into the organization, but they are not burden, they are not challenge. We have to have them to make a conducive environment into the organization and a risk-free environment into the organization.